Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I don't think anyone can stand for a long period of time without getting tired. And that's why I really like the Kitsure kitchen mat. Now, as you can see where I am, I do not use it for the kitchen. We use it in our office because sometimes we like to have the option of standing as we're doing work on the computer. So this is nice because even though the standing is good for our body, it does cause a lot of fatigue for your feet. So I think this was really nice. The reason why I liked it is because it's not really big. We live in a combined household, so there are more than one people using this office. We have one corner where we have our setup, so we couldn't have a big mat that was going to start then getting into someone else's domain. So I liked the size. I liked also the look of it. So you can have a mat that you can stand on that can take away some of the stress of your feet, but also go along with the decor and actually add a little bit of beauty to where you are working. I think it's great for if you are going to be on your feet for a long time doing food prep in the kitchen, if you're going to be doing work in the office, or even if you're doing crafts, anything that requires you to stand for a length of time and avoid having your feet sore and tired at the end of the day. It's been very useful to us, and I hope it can be for your family as well. And that's my point of view.